You know how I get down, down. What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta?
They say I walk around like I got an S on my chest. Now that's a semi-auto. In the vest on my chest, I try not to say nothing to DA like one playing court. But I oughta duck nigga down like it's a sport. Front on me, I cut your gun, but you fuck you get money. I can't get nothing with you, then fuck you. I'm not the type to get knocked for DWI. I'm the type that can you connect when the coke price rise. Gangsters that bump my shit, them they know me. I grew up around some niggas, not my homies. 100 G's, I stash it. The Mac, I blast it. These come, we dump the diesel and battery acid. This flow's been mastered. The ice, I flash it. Jukes me, I had your mama picking out your casket basket. I'm on the next level. White link, baguette bezel. Benz pedal to the metal. Hotter than the tea kettle blood.
What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? You don't play that. You don't play that. You don't play that. You don't play
I sit
around.
back, twist the best bud, burn and wonder when gangsters bump my shit. Can they hear my hunger? When the fifth kick, duck quick, me sound like thunder. In December, I make the block feel like summer. The rap critics say I can rhyme. The fiends say my dope is a 9. Every chick I fuck with is a dime. I'm like Patti LaBelle, homie, I'm on my own. Where I lay my hat's my own. I'm a rolling stone, cross my path, I crush it. Thinking I won't touch it, I had your ass using a wheelchair. Cane no crutches, industry hoes fuck us. In the hood, they love us. Stomp a bone out your ass with some brand new chuckers.
What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up?